Hello everyone, welcome back to my 75 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to talk about very important question. This question is many people ask how much time does it take to be fluent in any language? Not only in English, if you want to become fluent in any language like French, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, any language do you want to speak, and if you want to become fluent, so from beginning to advance, how much time does it take? So this very important question I will talk about today. First is example, learn baby learn language. So from a baby we can learn, from a child we can learn three things. What does a baby do? When the baby born, he starts listening from one day. He just listen his father, mother, family, friends. He just listen, and after some time he starts speaking very few words like mama, papa, or water, food, milk, just like. And when he become 2 to 3 years, he speaks full sentences without learning any grammar. So what does the child do? The child listen. Three things we can learn from a child. The child listen, the child tries to speak. The things the child listen, he tries to speak, and the child don't feel shy. He never hesitate to say anything he or she wants to say. So three things we can learn from a child. Another example we can take, learning bicycle or cooking. Remember the first day when you started learning bicycle. जब आपने साइकिल चलाना सीखने के लिए आपका फर्स्ट डे था, जब आप पेडल पे पैर रख रहे थे, आप साइकिल का बैलेंस नहीं बना पा रहे थे, आपका दोस्त आपको पीछे से पकड़ रहा है और आप आगे से साइकिल को चला रहे हो और वो फिर छोड़ रहा है और आप थोड़ा आगे जा रहे हो और फिर आप गिर गए, और ऐसे ट्राई करते करते गिरते गिरते आप लगभग 1 महीने में अंदर फिर अच्छे से बैलेंस करके साइकिल को चलाना सीख जाते हो। वैसे ही जब आपने फर्स्ट डे व्हेन यू स्टार्ट कुकिंग फूड, जब आपने खाना बनाना स्टार्ट किया, तब आप जैसे रोटियां जैसे राउंड बनाने में आपको प्रॉब्लम हुई, सब्जी बना रहे तो उसमें कभी मसाला ज़्यादा हो गया, कभी क्या हो गया। अभी परफेक्ट टेस्टी फूड बनाने के लिए आपको you may be took many you do many practice of cooking food or riding bicycle, then you become perfect. So now you can easily ride bicycle, now you can cook food without any problem. So we have to do practice. From second example we learn we have to do practice. Another example, if you give every day 30 minutes to 1 hour, every day if you give 30 minutes to 1 hour to learning this language, so it will took 6 months to 1 year. You can speak confidently, fluently any language if you give with dedication 6 months to 1 year. If you give 30 minutes to 1 hour every single day, if you give in a week, एक सप्ताह में यदि आप 1-2 घंटे दोगे 15 to 20 minutes, it will take long time. You have to be consistent, you have to listen every day, you have to speak every day, every single day. If you want result faster, you have to do practice every day. Another thing is, what is fluency? Fluency does not mean speak very fast. If you are speaking very fast and the other person whom you are talking, he is not understanding you what you are saying, if anyone cannot understand you, so that is not fluency. No matter how much faster you speak, if you speak slowly, you take pause when you need, and you speak clearly and other person can understand you, that is fluency. So now we can talk about some tips. What are the tips you can take if you want result faster? You have to practice daily. What is practice? You have to listen. You have to listen and speak from day one. You don't wait for the time I will learn grammar, I will be perfect, then I will start speaking, I will not make mistake. Make mistake, don't feel shy, learn from a baby. He speak his language and he never feels shy. Today is very hot, the weather is very hot, that's why sweat is coming from my skin. So what is the here I will summarize the today's lesson. We have to learn from a baby, we have to observe a baby. Second thing is we have to remember the things we learn: bicycle, cooking, bike, many things we have learned. So language, English is not a subject, it's a language. Time, we have to dedicate 30 minutes to 1 hour. Explain you what is fluency. Fluency does not mean to speak faster. You have to speak, if other person can understand you, that is fluency. You are successful, you can speak English confidently and other person can understand you. So that's for today.